हेलो नमस्ते वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करोगे तो नेक्स्ट आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन नहीं मिलेगा और ब्राउज सेक्शन में मेरा जो वीडियोस है पूरा टाइम हम लोग को आएगा, ये एकदम कंफर्म नहीं है। तो सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्लीज एक लाइक ही कर दीजिए ना, क्या जाता है आप लोगों का। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
So again I have come with a summer sale. So those are still in the stock, so I want to clear that for by giving summer sale. So here it is, you can see this is one saree. These all are in sale, red body, and you will get this in pallu like this border, and just a minute, you will get full body like this. It will be full contrast. It will be the blue, royal blue, and aanchal will be like this. It's full pure soft saree and all are fresh quality. Don't think like these are means don't think these are old. These are fresh quality. Just I am clearing in summer sale. So this is one. So another, you can see, this is pure body. This type of buttas you will get, and one part you will get this one, and another border will be big border. Full body you will get this type of buttas, and aanchal will be like this. So these all you will get in sale. It's a summer sale. You will get all this. Each you can pick 2,800 including shipping. 2,800 including shipping. So you can see this is the actual price of the saree. Excited offer hai na. So another saree I am showing you. You can see this is a pink color design and silver jari. Same color, but same design. The color will be different only. So this is the baby pink basically, and contrast with green. You will get the body in this flower, and both the sides same par you will get, and you can see this is the blouse piece, and it's heavy pallu. It's heavy pallu. So those are interested, please book fast. Only prepaid orders, no cash on delivery. And after getting payment from you, then I'll book and send you the details of the courier. Do not worry. Anushka Sharma style, another saree, another design. So this is also full body. You will get this, and this is not in contrast, full red Benarosi for marriage. This is also you are getting in 2,800 इंक्लूडिंग शिपिंग. आपको शिपिंग पे नहीं करना है. और देखिए इधर देखिए, इंक्लूडिंग जीएसटी सब कुछ मिलाकर आपको 2,800 मिल रहा है. ये है इसका आंचल, देखिए फुल फ्रेश लॉट. सो इट्स अ समर सेल. So every time I give this time sale. So please book fast. Another saree I am showing you. So this is Katan Benarasi, and this is also you are getting only 2,800. So you can see this is the body, you will get it. This is the body, you will get it with this part border, and the body will be like this. Full body will be like this, and the aanchal will be like this. Full heavy work, Katan Benarasi, just awesome quality. And there is no prepaid, only prepaid orders, no cash on delivery please. And please book fast, pay me, then I'll send you the details of the courier. I'll book and send you the details of the courier. Next saree, another saree you are getting this white and red border saree. So you can see the golden jari this is. So those are looking for a little different color for them. It's a white body, full buttas, golden buttas with red combination. Basically Devdas sari, not accurate, but and this is the 3 design you will get it. This design you will get it in the middle portion of the pleats, means lower pleats will get this design, and this is the aanchal and blouse piece. This is, it's very beautiful, fresh quality. So those are looking for anything special. This is pure tomato red with golden sindoor red also, you can say. Pure tomato red, sindoor color, green contrast, silver jari. The body you will get this type of full this type of, and with green contrast par will be like this, both the sides same, and you will get a green blouse piece and green aanchal like this. So I am not showing you the means not opening the full sari, because these are all fresh na. So these are all in sale, all are fresh quality. Please book fast. These also 2800 including shipping. And another sari, this is the you can say purple, means it's very nice color, pinkish purple you can say. So this color, so this is, you can see, full silver jari also, same design in green contrast. Beautiful sari. When you will get it na, you won't believe it, you just got the sari in just 2600. 200 so you know, 200 250 shipping only. It means ship courier charges shipping 250 200 around. So only within 2500 and 2600 you are getting like this. It's just beautiful. And another collection I am showing you. This is the sari. It's also pure tomato red and blue combination, you can see. And this is the speciality of this sari is, you can see the design. I am opening the sari. One par you will get, one border you will get this type of sari, full big, see how much big it is. And another this one, and this is the full body you will get, and same contrast will be in the blue, and the aanchal will be like this. So and some sari you will get work in the hand also. So another same thing I am showing you, like previously I showed you the red one. So this is the another color, yellow color. So you can see these are all are fresh lot. When you will get the means the sari in your hand na, you will be just surprised, you will be splendid. And this is one side border, and another side you will get this type of big border. So full body will be like this, raw yellow. This is raw yellow color, and blouse piece will be the running this one, and you will get the aanchal like this. All are jari work, full Benarasi, satin Benarasi, very high quality. And please book fast. These are all fresh quality, in sale you are getting. In future you won't get this. So next आ गई हूँ मैं ये येलो कलर, सेम जो आपको रेड वाला दिखाया था वही सेम कलर है. एंड ये येलो बॉर्डर होगा, इसके साथ ब्लू कॉम्बिनेशन है. ये एक साइड एंड अनदर साइड विल बी द ऑल्सो सेम. एंड ये भी कॉन्ट्रास्ट में है. ये देखिए, ये कॉन्ट्रास्ट में है. ये पल्लू होगा एंड ये फुल सॉफ्ट, इतना अच्छा क्वालिटी है. ये एक्चुअली कुछ जो मेरा स्टॉक में है, आई एम गिविंग इन द सेल. एवरी ईयर आई गिव द सेल. पीरियड के लिए है, समर सेल है, फ्यू डेज के लिए. जो मेरा स्टॉक आउट हो जाएगा, उसके बाद सेम दाम रहेगा. तो यू कैन सी. So if you want to grab it, just fast grab it. And another sari I am showing you, this one. It's in silver zari. Before that I showed you all the golden zari. This is the silver zari. This royal blue you will get, and it will be the green combination. This is the par, both side will be the same. And just a minute, you will get green blouse piece and green and blue combination achal. It's full silver zari. All you will get, anything you will pick just 2,800 including shipping.